Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart, 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is almost trading around the all-time high. Yesterday, gold made a high of 3055, and right now, after some retracement, gold is standing around to 3054. So there's no stopping here. If you have any buy, okay, hold your buy position because sky is the limit. Nobody knows, okay, where gold is going to stop or from where gold will reverse. And the market sentiment is also bullish. There is no sign of trend reversal yet. If any selling comes also, for example, during the US session, if you see any good amount of selling pressure also, that will be temporary correction. Market will be continuing the overall trend again, and till 2nd April, yes, till 2nd April there is a high chance that gold will continue the bullishness and sky is the limit. Yeah, yesterday we had FOMC. Okay, many of you, or including me also, I was hoping that maybe after FOMC we will get to see some retracement correction on gold, but no. Okay, it went opposite. Okay, after FOMC, okay, market went up. Okay, so this is the chart of dollar. Okay, and you can see dollar is in downtrend, and right now dollar is consolidating. So next week we may see some upside on dollar. If dollar goes up, then we may see some correction on gold. Okay, you can see dollar struggles as Fed signals rate cuts. Dollar index hovered around 103.4 on Thursday, near a 5-month low, after the Federal Reserve held rates steady but reaffirmed its outlook for 2 interest rate cuts this year. Okay, this was the main reason why there was pressure on dollar. But the dollar index is very adamant for the last couple of weeks. NFP, CPI, FOMC, nothing could nothing could make fall dollar below 103. We can see dollar is steady. So there is a chance that next week we may see some recovery. Then we may see some selling pressure on gold or retracement on gold. Okay, and if you look at the market sentiment of gold, you can see gold steady as Fed leaves rates on hold. Gold steadies near record after Fed holds interest rates steady. Gold climbs to record high as Fed signals 2 rate cuts in 2025. So the market sentiment is bullish, so there is no doubt about it. So following the trend of the market is the only solution here. So my dear friend, whenever you are sitting in front of the screen, forget about the adrenaline rush. If you really want to make money, you need to respect the trend of the market. And when there will be a change in the direction of the market, you need to be flexible enough also, okay, to sit against it. For example, in this market, I have been bullish for a long time. If there is a sudden trend change, okay, then I will not go for it because, okay, I have some adjustment issues. Okay, but I always try to follow the trend of the market. Trend is your friend, never forget it. And those who are already having your buy position, okay, open, you can hold your buy position and just trail your stop loss. Okay, you can bring your stop loss around 3000 or below 3000 level. That's it. So no new position for swing traders or position traders right now, okay, because market is trading a record high. If you are looking for a new swing trade or positional trade, then obviously you need to wait for proper correction or retracement because you will be paying a higher price. You need a discounted price. Okay. So on the chart of gold, the best level, okay, right now, or the best support is around 3000 to 3003. This is the best support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy if there is a correction, big correction or big selling pressure. Okay. Why? Because of psychological number 3000. It's a round number. Okay. Along with that, we also have FIBO 0.236. So if market drops or market shows surprising selling pressure, then this is the level where we can look for a buy position. And as the trend of the market is bullish, we will be looking for buy positions only. Okay, if there is a sudden selling pressure during the US session, if you want to sit on a sell, it's up to you. It's your choice. But overall, we will be looking for buy positions only because we want to respect the trend of the Okay, so this is the best level where we can look for a buy, but the chances of market coming down to 3,3003 is very less because gold is super bullish. So the second best support on the chart of gold where we can look for buy is around 3026, 3024. This is the second best support on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy because market has taken support around this area previously. So if market remains like this, market comes for retracement, this is also a good level where we can look for a buy position. And my dear friends, you guys can see that I have drawn two dotted lines here. Okay, let me take you to the lower time frame so that you can see better. Okay, so my dear friends, okay, you can see I had have two dotted lines here. Sadly, gold is so bullish. Okay, this line is no longer valid. We also had a support around 3044, 3045. I took a buy in the morning at 3046. I exited at 3052. Okay, now we can see that, my dear friends, okay, this particular level may not work now. Okay, so if market comes down, then 3025 is also a little far away. So if you're looking for immediate support, then you can also look for a support around 3040, 3038. Why? Because of previous support, previous resistance working as support around this area. Okay, so we are simply looking for levels based on price action. If you're wondering, Avilash, can we take a buy around 3045? Yes, you can look for a buy position if the market is super slow. But if you're looking for safe entries only, then it will be better for us to stick to the three levels that we discussed. The best support is around 3000 level, but that is far away. So 3025, 3024, 3026 is also a good level to buy. Okay, but this level is also a little far, so we can also look for a buy around 3040 area based on price action. The immediate level of 3045, okay, is no longer valid, I guess, okay, because market has already bounced from there once. Okay. So let's wait and watch. If market comes for retracement, these are the best levels. And if market doesn't come for retracement, because there are only two scenarios, market will come down or market will go up, isn't it? So if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we can look for buy at breakout above 3057. And as we all have been discussing for the last couple of days, probably you guys have also observed every day that in a market structure like this, okay, you do not get a clean breakout of 100 200 pips. Okay, you will see that maybe after hitting 3061 3062, okay, market comes down. So if you want to go for a buy at breakout, you can go for a buy at breakout, but do not be blinded. Okay, you need to be careful, you need to be vigilant that after 30 40 pips, if market reverses, exit from the buy immediately. Okay, and what you can do is, okay, you can wait for the market to come down to this particular area here, because buying at retracement is always safer in comparison to buying at breakout. I say this sentence every day. Okay, so if market comes down to 3055, okay, after the breakout, okay, you can buy here again around 3055, 305253 area, okay, because this will be the new support, because the previous resistance will become the new support, and then you can buy here. So buying at breakout is riskier. Okay, still you can go for a buy for 30 40 pips, but if market comes for retracement, it will be a better entry. And if market comes for retracement, then obviously it will be better for us. But as the market is very bullish, so we are looking for buy positions only. Okay, we are not looking for any sell positions, and we are not predicting any trend reversal also, because if we are simple retail traders, if we really want to survive in this game here, we need to learn to follow how to ride the trend of the market. Okay, if you stand against the trend of the market, then you will have to pay a very high price. And my dear friends, it's time for the announcement. We are on the workshop page, and you can see that there is a slight change here. And the change is that it's going to be my last workshop. I have been conducting this particular workshop for the last 3 years, only 3 times a year, but still it was okay. It was for the last 3 years. And I think it's time for me to teach the beginners, because for the last couple of months, actually more than a year, I have been receiving a lot of requests for the beginners. Okay, and due to time shortage, okay, I was unable to do anything for the beginners. And I think it's time for me to teach the new person who are joining the market, because it will be easier for them to understand and execute. because this particular workshop, okay, that I have been conducting was for those people who were okay, who are trading for last couple of years but still struggling. Okay, and the problem I was facing was that, okay, as the people who were mostly trading for months and years, okay, they already have their own mindset, their trade setup, and it a little gambler mentality, and it was difficult for them, okay, to learn many things. For example, okay, if I tell them to follow the trend of the market, okay, they were still going against the trend of the market. I was teaching proper lot size calculation, how to do risk management and all, but still the gambler inside them, okay, was okay very strong. Okay, so I think it will be better for me to teach the beginners, okay, who are new to the market looking for proper guidance, and it will be easier for them to execute, and it will be easier on my part also, okay, to teach them as well. Okay, but still, Iki, you can join the upcoming workshop if you are studying. Okay, and it's a 7 days workshop. You guys already know, with 1 month support. Everything is on the website, and I have not decided the dates for the sessions that I'll be conducting for the beginners, but I have decided that I will be doing everything through Slice. Okay, it's a new company, and they are doing a fantastic job for the mentors like us. So it will be a complete mentorship program, guidance program for the beginners. Okay, I have not decided a date yet, dates and all. Okay, but I will be declaring soon. So it will be mostly for the beginners who are looking for proper guidance. Okay, so this is the website sliceapp.io. Okay, you guys can check it out. Okay, but I have not decided, okay, from when I will be rolling there. Okay, and if you are still interested for the workshop, okay, next workshop, okay, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language, you are most welcome to join. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Dates are mentioned here. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free market updates and analysis on our WhatsApp group. These are the topics that we discussed during the workshop. Uh, it's a 7 days workshop. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. I stretched this over a period of 1 month, because trading takes time. Okay, so that, okay, we can learn and execute. Okay, and you'll also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, lots of calculator, and many other things. If you're from India, there will be a separate special session, because in India, okay, there are lots of legal complications, and you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you'll be receiving free market updates and analysis. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. Okay, and all the sessions are recorded, so if you miss also, no need to worry, you'll get the recording. The best part is the fees. Okay, it was only $20 for the workshop with 1 month support. And if you're looking for personal sessions, longer relationship with me, then you can also sign up for semi-annual lifetime, because trading takes time. Okay, it does not happen over a month. It takes a couple of months, sometimes years. And obviously, personal sessions are very useful and important if you're okay, if you really want to make it big or struggling. So everything is mentioned on the website, my dear friends. Okay, and these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.